Right, so this has been going for about half an hour. I know the timestamps between the videos don't make sense, but it's not the point. Now, the easiest way to not burn is to use something that doesn't burn. So, wood, stick, there you go. I've got, I think it's olive oil.
Greek olive oil.
It's Greek something. Oh wait, yes, Oreo. Greek olive oil. Very fancy. Doesn't need to be fancy. Just glug it in there. Because oil is good for everything. Then I have some, what's the term for this? Blanched.
Blanched onions, yes.
Blanched onions. And yes, my wife is still here behind the camera. Not mad at me yet. Easy enough. Now we're going to do this is how you flambe your onion. Not part of the plan, but it looks cool.
Break them up.
I want to mash them up. There we go. In the next video you will see me with a glove, so I can hold on to this. Just mash up your onions. They were frozen. That's basically why there was so much fire. Oil and fire gets you higher. I don't know. There we go.
And we will caramelize.
They will caramelize beautifully in this and create their own sauce. But most of my oil just went up in flames. So let's go a little bit again. Glug glug glug. Yee. Right, so once your onions start to fall apart, caramelize, then you want to go for the actual meat, because you need a little bit of a grill mark on your meat, otherwise it's just not good. So here we have, if you ever want to know what oxtail is in Afrikaans, beestert.
Doesn't want to focus.
Not focusing.
Yeah. Okay.
Try again. That works normally.
There we go.
There we go, beestert.
Beestert.
Alright. Now beestert, oxtail, see little bones in the middle there.
Yum yum yum. More flavor.
More flavor. And always, camo, camo, camo. For when you get in trouble, no one can find you. Okay, so now I'm done playing around with the onions. That's why I'm only using half of this fire pit, so that I can actually use one end to dump things in, like such. Remember, there's a piece of paper on the back, normally not edible. That goes in, slab.
And then they will break up as they get heat.
Right, that was step 2 of the whole Potjiekos series. I'm hoping that it makes sense, hoping that you enjoy it. Stay tuned, keep watching. This afternoon will be filled with bits and pieces of how to make the perfect potjie. So yeah, see you in a bit.